EDO 2020. Governor Obaseki don round off word-to-word campaign for Ovia Southwest local government area. The governorship candidate of People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, plus other members of the campaign council don appeal to the people of Udo for Ovia Southwest local government area, say make dem vote and protect their vote for September 19 election. Dem tok dis one wey the campaign team wey the governorship candidate Godwin Obaseki leads come visit the area to continue word-to-word campaign. Make una sabi say na dis one 9 People's Democratic Party (PDP) take round off their word-to-word campaign rally for Ovia Southwest local government area for Edo State. Governor Obaseki, as he dey address the party supporters, tok say him go deliver im promise to improve their living standards once dem re-elect am for second tenure.
You see, this campaign na how to move Edo forward. And by the grace of God, Edo must continue to move forward. In the last 4 years, we never moved forward. When this road nearly spoiled, when this bridge affect, when we not fit come, we not repair them. Is that not progress? College of Agriculture here. When I don't enter, make una see what they do there now. When I did there, by the time we finish early next year, that will be the best college of agriculture in Nigeria. You see, this our government. We know they like to deceive people. When I come through that school 3 years ago, when I come, I nearly cried. I say, Una, when bring me come here, Una go let Una pikin come here. So because of that, I said, no, this would never happen to my people. When we finish building that school, before we even finish, I must bring light come. Because I don't fit start school, make the school dey inside darkness. That school not be only school it will be. Then go get their own farm. Then go they produce things, food. They go also process what they produce. For this campus alone, we will get more than 1,000 students when they come every session. Those people when they farm, when that time don't come. Any farm, what do they do? As long as we get land, we could come, we could bring tractor to come help on a clear up. When on one plant, if na cassava, if na rice, if na corn, we go come give una the better seed when una go plant. Even the road to the farm, we go help una grade down. All these things when I dey talk, now una hand the day. Because now una get the power to make them happen. And that power now una PVC. So that on September 19, when I don't hear what everybody don't talk, when una finish voting, una go wait. Because those people, they say they won't do bad thing. Una go let them.
The campaign team tell the supporters say make dem not let anybody put fear for their body until the political katakata with the opposition the cause. Say make them use their permanent voters card to punish those people wey no mean well for the state.
Una vote. Nobody go fit take am from una. We dey here to support una to defend that vote. Nobody can rig in this place. It no go happen for Edo State. It no go happen for Ora. It no go happen for Edo South.
This governor now na pikin. We not go agree for this land. When nobody get, say another we go agree for our pikin make them do this. We not go agree. We not go agree. One man when not be God, he go say he not go let am. Eh, you know that. Obuwaye, this your hand on the hand right there. After God, now you, the people that go
people say now you we want. Edo people say too often I go win the race. Edo people say too often I go come back again.
I am here to support Obaseki PDP.
Una go sabi say na about 14 political parties na im go take part for this coming election for Edo State. But as e dey be so, observers dey talk am say the main competition dey between the ruling PDP for the state and All Progressives Congress (APC). This one na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki and im campaign team don round off word-to-word campaign for Ovia Southwest local government area. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edo Woho Edole.
Move forward.